Welcome back to Ifza Ali Vlogs. Today I'm gonna buy this in-store Glam blowout trolley makeup set, and I'm gonna show you gonna go. Let's go and see it. Welcome back to Ifza Ali Vlogs. Today, you guys, remember I brought this, and today's the day to open it in this vlog. So let's get started. This is Instagram on the Glow Trolley makeup set. So let's open it. Time for the final reveal. Oh, it's just cardboard. Let's take this out. Wow, a box. Let's keep this for later and get the other stuff out. Oh, this is heavy. Let's open this box. Let's open this box. I'm so excited. Wow, so much makeup. Lip gloss, eyeshadow. Wow. There's more stuff under. I'm gonna open this. Let's open this up. These are storage drawers, and these are my favorite colors. This looks very lovely. Time to open this. This looks so fun. Finally, I can open this. Let's get to it. Wow, pink, my favorite color. Purple too, my second favorite color. More pink. Wow, best day ever. And these are two same ones. I'm gonna fix this and then we'll put the makeup in. Let's start fixing. We have to clip this together. Ta-da! Here's my eyeshadow and blush. Let me tell you, this is the blush and this is the eyeshadow. But before I cut, make sure you use this. Be careful because it's sharp, and don't cut your finger. And I can use it because I'm big. time to put this in. Time to open the accessories. We have hair clips, brushes for my makeup, and hair accessories, and a nail filer, and the lip gloss, and some stickers for our nails. Let's get opening these. This is a nail filer. Let's see where it goes. Once again, be careful with scissors. Let's clean it, then we'll do some makeup. Guys, I'm gonna do my makeup now. See you after the makeup. Hey guys, now I'm packing my makeup. There, last one all done. Time to close it up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!